Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host, Derek Smith, and I'm going to show you how to remove the floor threshold from your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper. If you're watching this video, you're contemplating or you're in the middle of a floor redo for your pop-up camper. Congratulations, you can do it and it's going to look awesome. You have likely come across this or seen other threads asking how to get this thing off. And it's tough. I'll show you what works for me. Here's an example of one, just to show you they do come off. Let's get started. The tools we need for this job are an impact driver, 5-pound sledgehammer, 5-in-1 with a hammerhead, and a pair of work gloves. Let's do it. Step 1, remove the 4 screws up top. Use an impact, press down heavily, and drive them out. You don't want to strip these. Now with the 5-in-1 and a hammer end, from the inside and starting on one side, lay it flat and drive it forward. Get it started. Get your tool back. And drive the other side. There you go. And that's it. A little quick tip on how to remove the threshold in your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper to do some flooring work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give the video a thumbs up. See you at the campground.